Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to find referral code on Temu. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, open your Temu mobile app. Here you can see my app is here. Now open it. Now go to this U icon. Now go to this option, free credits and free gifts. Now go to this redeem cash option, click start. Here you have to spin this wheel to get rewards. You can see I'm already earned 1600 coins. Now there's option refer new app users. Click on this and go to this copy link option. When you click on this copy link option, your referral link and also your referral code will copy to your clipboard, and you can easily refer your friends with this link or code. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.